Hello and welcome. In this video lesson, I'm going to show you how to switch between templates within your Blogger blog. To get started, we need to go to our theme menu. When you get here, you see the variety of themes that are provided by Blogger, and the one we are currently using is the Contempo theme. If you look at it very closely, you see the different variation of the Contempo theme over here. And if I scroll down, here is another theme known as Soho theme, and there's another one here, Emporio theme. If you want to see how it's going to look like if you apply any of these themes on your Blogger blog, you can just click on the preview button. And then here is how the content we currently have on the blog is going to show up if we decide to make use of this theme. And let me click out and go down. Here is another one. It's named Simple. Wow, this is beautiful. If I come down again, you see the dynamic view. Here's another one, picture window, awesome incorporation. We have watermark, ethereal, travel. So I'm going to click on one of these. Wow, this looks beautiful. Let me click out again and go over to probably one of these watermark themes. I'm going to select this. It seems very cool. So let's say I'm contented with this one. If I want to go ahead and change my theme from Contempo theme to this watermark theme, all I have to do is click on apply to blog. So here is a warning from Google Blogger saying that some of the hidden gadgets may become visible on this theme. It's okay, we got it, and it's going to go ahead and switch my theme. As you can see, if I switch over to the blog now, you see the whole look of the theme has changed. If I scroll down, you'll be able to see the design of the new theme. So if you like, you can go ahead and enlarge the distance between the content area and do some other customization of the theme. This is how to switch between themes within your Blogger blog. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video.